This is Barrett Hoskins with Benjamin Marcus Homes. We're back here on site for our final week of work at 1000 Goldeneye Drive in Mallard Pond. A lot of things happened during this final week to really pull this house together. We have professional cleaning crews in the house cleaning from top to bottom. We have a window washing company hitting the outside and the inside windows. We have a masonry restoration company that comes to steam clean and pressure wash the outside of the brick to make sure all that dust and construction debris is gone from the process. We have our painters going through the house, touching up little nicks and any other spots that we may have missed or have been affected during the construction process. Our light fixtures being hung. We have the landscaping installed. This is really like the most fun part of the construction process, to see this house really come together. Hi, we're back here at 1000 Goldeneye Drive in Mallard Pond. All the anticipation and excitement has led up to this point, and today we get to hand off the keys to our customers. Today is the day they get to make this house their home. In this final episode of BMH Build's 1000 Goldeneye Drive, we're going to look at some of the finer details inside and out that make a true custom-built Benjamin Marcus home.